Can you see that your prayer with the name of Jesus is nonsense and bondage given to you by Britain just to enslave Africa? Prayer, declare with the name of Jesus, commanding something you did not see to happen, is nonsense. This is Niger Bridge. You can never, for the past millions of years, you can't pass here like this. But now, government is the only answer, which I am telling you, which is a fellow human being. After the second Niger Bridge has been constructed, my brother, nothing like go slow again. Nothing like traffic. You see how everywhere is clear? Look at the second Niger Bridge there. Look at our back and see how it was empty. It is empty. Have you ever seen this? Have you ever seen this bridge being like this? No. Have you seen it? So that is to show you that government is the only key to answer your prayer. If you don't have government, your own is gone. Nigeria pastors and reverend fathers are criminal. They are just deceiving you. Using the ugly situation that government kept you to brainwash you. That Jesus is not going to do anything for me. Anything government refuses to do for you, okay? If government decide that you will die today, you die. I'm telling you. If government decide today that you will not live to see tomorrow, you will not live to see tomorrow. Nothing will happen. Stop going to church in Nigeria. It is evil. You are just going there to learn stupidity. How can a graduate, you came from a village where there is no factory, and somebody is telling you in the name of Jesus, receive job. Receive job. It's just like when there was no second bridge and somebody is telling in the name of Jesus, let the traffic clear. Let the traffic clear. No, it doesn't work. The problem we are having today is not a problem that any spirit is going to solve for us. No. The problem we have is problem we are going to solve for ourselves as a human being. But church people will keep on brainwashing you that Jesus is there to save you. But Jesus have never saved any church in Nigeria. All the whole church in Nigeria depend on the masses to survive. They depend on your money to fuel the church, to fuel the generator that they use to power the church. They depend on your money, on you as a human being. They call on you to bring money so that they will build church. They never call on Jesus. Whenever they want to build any project, they put on crusade, operation, come breakthrough. Now you go to receive breakthrough. They now receive practical breakthrough from collecting your money. Just like this new year. That first night of this the first of this year, through the program of that first night, some Nigerian pastors and reverend fathers who conducted that first night prayer, they have used it to make millions of naira and now brainwash you that your own is on the way coming. Why you have given them money, tithe and offering in millions? They are manipulated to give them money so that this year will be successful to you. Now, as you give them practical, who do you want to go and collect from? Or go and walk? They don't walk on your head. They don't chop you. Only government answers prayer. If government decide today that there will be no premature death in a country, there will be no premature death. They will give every village standard hospital. Standard hospital with enough of ambulance. At least every village is supposed to have less than 1,000 ambulances and 200 hospitals in every village. Cameras everywhere, job opportunity left and right, motorable road, train station, metro stations. Without all these things, Akoko, me and you, very soon we'll go buy. Waiting go buy me and you, they plenty. Motors then feel buy me and you. Lack of a good hospital feel buy me and you. Understand? A lot of big men buy during COVID-19 because they cannot fly to abroad. And they tell you, government is the only key. Any day Nigeria youth will leave Jesus and Satan alone and start fighting to have a good governance and focus on their government and found out that government is their problem. Believe you me, Nigeria will be a great nation. Nigeria will be better than every other nation in the whole world. Africa will be better than Europe. But will African child believe that government is the key? No. Jesus and Satan is the problem of a black man. Jesus and Satan, Tom and Jerry, two of them know they die. Because if any of them die, the movie go close. Jesus and Satan, they know they die. They don't even enter this year. Satan follow enter the year 2024. Black man, what you have on this earth is either you did the good thing or you make mistake. So when you made a mistake, you correct it. That is why there is no forgiveness in Europe, in America. When you make a mistake or when you break the law, now you have to pay the fine or you go to prison. So they will correct you there. Okay? So that next tomorrow it will not repeat itself. But here, if you do good one, they go say that Jesus do them. Now, if bad thing happen, they say that Satan. Instead of blaming Jesus, why do you allow bad something to happen? You start blaming Satan. Oga, Oyibo don't program you. Without programming you, by now you have been manufacturing this phone. So this phone you are listening my voice. If you start manufacturing it, who will buy it from Oyibo? In our business, they take us, they do. Tell you say the world is not your own. But they are using our mineral resources to create things. They are taking our gold, stealing our gold, our oil. We are now packing shit in their country, and we call it miracle. Black man, wake up. Only man can answer your prayer. Wake up, black man.